In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix corrupted data on Xbox Minecraft. The easiest solution is to create a new save file. This will not affect your progress or inventory, but it will remove training sequences, video settings, and tutorial completion data. To do this, go to the main menu, select Settings, then Storage, and choose Save Data. Then select Minecraft, press the Options button on your controller, and select Delete. Now launch the game again to create a new save file. Now restart your Xbox in safe mode and rebuild the database. To do this, turn off your Xbox completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller with a USB cable, press the Xbox button, and select Rebuild Database from the menu. This process can help fix corrupted data. If you have an Xbox Live subscription, you can use cloud storage to back up and restore your saved data. Then go to Settings and Storage, then Cloud Saved Data, and select Minecraft. Next, choose Upload to Cloud Storage and wait for the transfer to complete. After backing up your data, delete the corrupted save file and download it back from the cloud storage. Sometimes Cloud Sync can cause issues with save files. Disable Cloud Sync by going to Settings and Storage, then Cloud Save Data, and uncheck Sync Save Data. If none of the above methods work, you may need to contact Microsoft support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.